This tutorial will briefly cover the configuration window and its main functions. Further tutorials will cover each function in depth. The configuration window allows you to control the data that populates inside of your scanner. To open the configuration window, right-click into the particular scanner window that you would like to adjust. You will see that the main configuration window contains several tabs. First is the Strategies tab. Here, you can choose pre-configured strategies or create your own from scratch. Next is the Search tab. The search field enables you to filter through all the available alerts and filters. Just select the ones you are interested in. In the following Select Alerts tab, you can choose the types of alerts you would like to use for your strategy. Further up is the Window-Specific Filters tab. Here you can specify which filters you would like to use along with your selected alerts. The Exchanges tab allows you to select the stock exchanges that your scanner will monitor. And the Symbols tab gives you the ability to create specific lists of stocks to watch. In the Columns tab you can control which data columns will be displayed in the scan window for every alert received. Finally, the Summary tab gives you an overview of your chosen settings and allows you to name your newly configured scanner. Additional tutorials will cover each tab's function more in depth.